All right, so I'm back in the sponsored products version of the bulk ops view. I wanted to show you a new feature we added related to placement metrics, and this just helps you kind of stay organized with what's performing well top of search versus product pages, and allows you to kind of hone in on the bid override table a little bit more quickly and efficiently. So let's pretend here I'm on the or I want to see kind of all enabled targets. I want to see just my upper kind of 20% that's doing well as far as the targets. All right, so I'm going to sort my orders from Z to A, and then I'm going to put some of these on the bid override table. Just grab these, and I'm going to put them here like this. These aren't single SKU, so I'm going to do target level. And again, if you're brand new to this, you won't know what I'm doing here. You'll have to watch some of the training videos below. But this new section here is this little plus button. And there's some other plus buttons here as well. These just give you some extra columns to sort with. This one enables you to see your campaign and target within this kind of bid override. And then this one's got all the placement metrics. So basically what I've just done is I've taken some targets that are performing well off my bulk ops sheet, put it on the bid override table, and now I'm going to sync the metrics here so we can see everything just on the bid override table. All right, and then you can see how the target shows up, the campaign, but what also shows up is going to be our placement data, and it's going to be at the campaign level, so you got to keep that in mind. And it's likely more useful if you've got like single keyword campaigns running, because you can kind of optimize things a little bit better if there's only one keyword. But anyway, you can see all your placement metrics. So if you've got some that are just doing really well, say top of search. So let's look at this one. We've got 114% ACOS on product pages, but 29% on top of search. Only 7 orders on this one, 390. So we would always want to, for example, target top of search here. We can always just tag it either here top of search or here top of search. You can use either one. And then you can there's a couple different ways you can hedge against top of search. You can look and kind of see what's your cost per click. So here's 84 cents. For product pages, it's 79 cents, a little less. So we could bid higher, maybe at a fixed bid override, or this would be a potential application of placement bid modifiers where you can set these now in your bulk file. So if we just click on that, you can come here, find target campaign. That'll take you over to the bulk ops view for that specific target. So you just need to go up to the campaign. You can see we've got some negative keywords here, so it's a little bit confusing, but go up, scroll up till you get to campaign, which is right here. And then you could put in this case for your percentages. So he is favoring right now top of search by 35%. So that's why he's doing well in that top of search. So that is an example of when you may want to apply bid modifiers, which again, he already is. So it's just an easy way you can kind of keep track of things. Sometimes, you'd want to know based on what you're overriding and focusing on, how those different placements are performing. You've also got the filters that identify in your bulk ops file from a placement perspective what's doing well top of search versus product pages. So that's another way you can kind of quickly glean that placement information. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that new feature. It does come in handy. You can also right click and add notes. That comes in handy for some users that are wanting to kind of keep track of specific notes related to specific targets. So anyway, hopefully this video kind of outlines some of the new features for the new Apex version. Again, we're going to be totally redoing all the training to show from start to finish using this new format, how to get things done. But again, you can always use the legacy version if you want and go back. And again, all of the training videos below in the members area would apply to that. And to do that, you would just go to the settings tab and change this to legacy and then hit authorize, and you'll get that legacy format menu to pop up. And go from there. But sponsored brands, if you want to optimize those, that's not available in the legacy format. So we're just doing that in the new format going forward. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next training video, and I appreciate it. See ya.